Vlog. Me and Bigfoot are ice fishing today, and we also
brought some cold ones.
Something's pulling hard. It's either a trout or the beer's trying to escape.
That's gotta be a lake monster, dude.
Hey fish! We got sandwiches! So
we're trying psychological warfare now.
We caught one. Believe it or not.
Cooking tip. Beer worms as hydration and moral support.
to grilled lake monster.
A little crunchy. A lot of spine textures.
Aggressive, you might say.
Pro tip. Don't leave your backup pants outside in -20.
Well, that's one way to make shorts.